Okay, so for short question, this may be from the assertion reason basically, because only one question is there, so it will not continue with that of the paragraph type or any diagram type. So it is maybe the assertion reason type question or any descriptive type question. So let us follow the question. What is to be some important questions. Now there is some points, that is voids. When voids is generated, that is due to, suppose due to the arrangement of the sphere. Due to arrangement of the sphere, the voids is generated, and when this is surrounding 4 nearest sphere, then it is tetrahedral, and when the void having 6 nearest neighbor, then it is octahedral void. Now the tetrahedral void is formed when sphere are tetrahedrali arranged in space, while octahedral void is created by their octahedral arrangement. So octahedral arrangement and tetrahedral arrangement. Now tetrahedral, just assume remember the picture of tetrahedral and octahedral mode. Okay. Now the sphere should be arranged in such a manner that they are producing a voids in between these 6 spheres. So these corners will be occupied by sphere, and in between these there is a void which is octahedral void. Now next one, there is one octahedral void per sphere and there is 2 tetrahedral void per sphere. Now for this we already have calculated the number of sphere in the simple cubic, body centered cubic or face centered cubic. Then as it is body centered or face centered or simple cubic, then we can calculate the number of tetrahedral voids or number of octahedral voids. So number of tetrahedral void is to that of the octahedral voids. Okay. Now the radius ratio is giving some preliminary idea about the coordination number, and there is a limiting value of radius ratio. That is, what is radius ratio? This is the ratio of r plus by r minus, that is radius of cation divided by radius of anion. Now when it is value is 0.155 to 0.225, it is coordination number 3, and the crystal is of trigonal planar. So from the coordination number we can detect the geometry of that particular crystal. Next one, 0.225 to 0.414, this is 4, and the tetrahedral. 0.414 to 0.732, it is coordination number 6, and the octahedral, and 0.732 to 1, this is body centered cube, and the coordination number is 8 here, and the crystal is body center. Okay. And there is the defects also. Now come to some problems. Now we have to deduct that part which is deducted in the present curriculum. Just wait. So from solid state, electrical and magnetic properties, band theory of metal, conductor, semiconductor and insulator, and N and p-type semiconductor, these are deducted. So the first part, that is the important part, all are there, that is including radius ratio, including the voids, including the defects, all are here. So as all are here, so just some preliminary idea about the voids. Crystalline solid are non-ideal, so they generally suffer from imperfection. So these imperfection is due to the defects in their crystal. These may be point defect or line defect. The point defect of crystal are of three types: stoichiometric, non-stoichiometric and impurity defect. So the point defect are of three kinds: stoichiometric defect, point defect, stoichiometric, non-stoichiometric and impurity. Point defect. In ionic crystal, these defects are Schottky and Frankel defect. Schottky defect and Frankel defect. In Schottky defect, equal number of cations and anions are missing from their site, and in Frankel defect, the cations leave their site and occupy a position in the interstitial space and density remains unchanged. And in the first case, in Schottky defect, the density is decreases because of the equal number of cations and anions are missing from their site. Okay. So there is a distinction in between Schottky and Frankel defect. You can distinguish in between them. Next one is that Frankel defect and Schottky defect, F center, are produced when the holes created by missing anion are occupied by electrons which impart color to the crystal. F center is due to the anions is missing and this place is occupied by electrons. Okay. Crystals with F center are paramagnetic in nature due to the presence of unpaired electron. Okay. These are some theoretical part. Now, moving with some assertion reason type question. Okay. So, first assertion reason, the total number of atoms present in a simple cubic unit cell is 1. This is assertion. The total number of atoms present in a simple cubic unit cell is 1. Reason, simple cubic unit cell has atoms at its corner, each of which is shared between 8 adjacent unit cell. So, very simple. What would be the answer for this? You can do it. The total number of atoms present in a simple cubic unit cell is 1. Simple cubic unit cell has atoms at its corner, each of which is shared between 8 adjacent unit cell. A, obviously. It is the option A, that is both are correct and R is the correct explanation. Next one. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity, however, diamond belongs to the category of insulator. Reason, graphite is soft in nature, on the other hand, diamond is very hard and brittle. Next one is graphite is good conductor of electricity, however, diamond belongs to category of insulator. It is correct. Graphite is soft in nature, on the other hand, diamond is very hard and brittle. This is also correct, but they are not linked. So, their option is will be B. Isn't it? Next. Total number of octahedral voids present in unit cell of cubic close packing. Total number of octahedral voids present in unit cell of cubic close packing, including the one that is present at the body center, is 4. Total number of octahedral voids present in a unit cell of cubic close packing, including the one that is present at the body center, is 4. Reason, besides the body center, there is one octahedral void present at the corner of each of the 6 faces of the unit cell and is shared between 2 adjacent unit cell. The two statements are long enough. So here the option is total number of octahedral void present in unit cell of cubic close packing including one that is present at the body center is 4. It is correct. Besides the body center, there is one octahedral void present at the corner of each of the 6 faces of the unit cell and is shared between 2 adjacent unit cell. Is it correct? The reason, besides the body center, there is one octahedral void present at the center of each 6 faces of the unit cell, shared in between 2 adjacent. No, this is not correct. This is the sphere which is situated in the corner, but it will be situated on the faces. So option will be here, according to their statement, the option is C. Just check it. Correct reason is that besides the body center, there is one octahedral void at the center of each of the 12 edges. Besides the body center, there is one octahedral void at the center of each of the 12 edges. At the center of each of the 12 edges. So the option is C. That is, assertion is correct and reason is false. Next, the packing efficiency is maximum for FCC structure. The coordination number is 12 in FCC structure. Which one? The packing efficiency is maximum in FCC and the coordination number of FCC is 12. Is this correct? No. So here the assertion is correct and that is the packing efficiency is maximum for FCC. Yes, the coordination number is not 12. So here the assertion and reason all are correct, but they are not correlated with each another. So the option is B here. Next one, semiconductor. Okay, semiconductors is deducted. Next one, why is Frankel defect found in silver chloride? Why Frankel defect is found in silver chloride? The size of silver plus is very small and they can easily leave their normal site in the crystal lattice and occupy position elsewhere in the lattice. This leads to the Frankel defect. Next one, what is the difference between silicon doped? Okay, this is deducted. How many atoms constitute one unit cell of a face-centered cubic crystal? How many atoms constitute one unit cell of a face-centered cubic crystal? What is the number of atoms? 4, yes. Next one, which group of solid are electrical conductors as well as malleable and ductile. Which group of solid are electrical conductors as well as malleable and ductile? This is metallic solid. Why does the conductivity of silicon, okay, this is deducted. Maximum the theoretical questions are from the doping part. Define radius ratio. What is the value of radius ratio for octahedral geometry? Value is for octahedral geometry is 0.414 to 0.732. Next one, what type of stoichiometric defect is found by KCl and why? What type of stoichiometric defect is found in KCl? This is Schottky defect, and this is due to the size of potassium plus and Cl minus are almost same in size. These two are very important. Why stoichiometric defect or Schottky defect is found in KCl, or why silver AgCl shows Frankel defect. Ionic solids conduct electricity in molten state but not solid state. Ionic solid conducts electricity in molten state but not in solid state. Why? Because there is no ionic mobility of solid state, but it is present in the molten state. So, molten sodium chloride can conduct electricity, but solid sodium chloride cannot due to the absence of free electron. What type of substance would make better magnet, ferromagnetic or ferrimagnetic? What type of substance would make better magnet, ferromagnetic or ferrimagnetic? This is ferromagnetic substance form better magnets than ferrimagnetic. Okay, now some question, some problem, very simple problem is there. Now one formula is here that you have to know for calculation of the edge length or what type of crystal, then the formula you know, I think. How to calculate the molar mass, etc. There is one by putting the one formula. Okay. Now the formula is that density of unit cell D is equal to, there is a mathematical form, this is Z into M expressed in gram, Z into M by N0 into A cube into 10 to the power minus 30 centimeter, as when the edge length is expressed in picometer, then such type of problem is there, such type of figure will be there when the edge length will be expressed in picometer. So Zm divided by N0 A cube into 10 to the power minus 30 centimeter. So the putting this formula, and Z, what is the value of Z? This is the number of atom in an unit cell. Number of atom in a unit cell. Now putting this, just look at this, how this formula works. Okay. Now the edge length of sodium chloride unit cell is 564 picometer. Edge length. So edge is given in picometer, and what is the value? That is 564 pm. Okay. And what is the density of sodium chloride in gram per centimeter cube? So you have to calculate D. Now what is the formula weight of sodium chloride? What is the formula weight of sodium chloride? That is sodium 23 plus 35.5, that is 57.5, 58.5. Yes, 58.5. And Z value, now NaCl, here the edge length is given, so putting it Z into M divided by A cube into N0 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now as sodium chloride having FCC crystal, so here you have to put your knowledge, NaCl is FCC, so number of atoms equal to 4. So Z value is equal to 4. Z into 58.5, N0 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. And then the A cube, that is edge length, it is 564 cube into 10 to the power minus 30, sorry, minus 30. Now calculating it, you can told the density, that is 2.16 gram centimeter to the power minus 3. 2.16 gram, it is the density. So in the same way, suppose the molecular weight you have to calculate. Okay, now look at this, some more problem on that. Okay, an element crystallizes in a FCC lattice with edge length of 400 picometer. Calculate the density if 200 gram of this element contain 2.5 into 10 to the power 24 atoms. Now here 200 gram having this number of atoms, so from there 6.023 weight will be taken as m, and the edge length is given, so you have to calculate the density again, but the molecular mass is not given. This is an unknown element. So D equal to Z into M by N0 A cube into 10 to the power minus 30 centimeter cube. Now the number of atoms as FCC, so Z equal to 4. For FCC, Z equal to 4, and you have to calculate the molar mass, that is 200 gram, 2.5 into 10 to the power 24. 2.5 into 10 to the power 24 atom weight, atom's mass is 4 200 gram. So 6.023 number of atoms mass, that is 200 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, 2.5 into 10 to the power 24. Calculating it, we will get it is 48.2, that is round about 48 gram. So M is also came out, Z equal to 4, M equal to 48.8, N0, that is Avogadro's number, 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, A0 that is 400 cube into 10 to the power minus 30 centimeter. Now calculating it, we can do that, the density equal to round about 5 gram centimeter cube in to the power minus 3. So this is also a problem which came on CBSE 2016. Okay, so that's all. Some of the problems regarding to the geometry and also molar mass, etc. Understood this?